Live Golf is coming back next year. We are coming on the 22nd of April until the 25th of April, right here at Steyn City. Tickets are available from 11 a.m. today. So kry net jou fokke kaartjies asseblief. Stop calling me like crazy. I've been called like crazy, Mackenzie. You know, I gotta share this with you. My neighbor didn't believe in Live Golf. And he asked me, he praised me to high heavens. He's like, "Jy's 'n Easter, you a good minister." So he asked me for tickets yesterday, I gave him. Last night he called me, he's like, "Don't you have 4 extra?" I said, no. He said, so he didn't drop the phone. He didn't drop the phone. He said, "You're ook maar 'n kak minister."
Thank you, Minister. We appreciate it. Big round of applause. Live Golf coming back to South Africa 22nd of April to the 25th of April 2027. And Scott, what can these fantastic fans expect next year when Live Golf comes back?
Well, first, let's enjoy today. Championship Sunday is something really special. You see the galleries form, you see the crowds get louder, and the party keeps going.
Absolutely.
And for next year, first year was spectacular. Second year, you're not even going to recognize it. We're going bigger, better, and bolder, and I cannot wait to see you here.
Zanzi, give it up for Scott O'Neill, Stephen Lowe, and Minister Mackenzie. Live Golf coming back to South Africa 2027!